How to find the end term in an arithmetic sequence. What is the end term? The end term is a general term. That means it's a formula by which you can find any term in a pattern or in a sequence. Yeah. So when we talk about arithmetic sequence, we talk about when we have the constant difference. That means you're adding the same number all the time. Maybe you're adding 2 all the time, or you're adding 3 all the time, or you're minusing 2 all the time, or minusing 3 all the time, or whatever number all the time. So this is the formula. Tn is equals to a plus open bracket n minus 1 closing bracket d. I'm going to show you in the next slide what is it that all of these mean. Tn means the end term. So this means that any general term in the sequence, and then A is the first term. So the first number that's going to appear in the sequence, that's the one that is A. And then N is the position of the term. So in which position is it at? Is it the first term? Is it the second? Is it the third? So that's going to indicate by numbers 1, 2, 3, or so forth. And then we have a D, which is the constant difference. So that means what is the number that we're adding all the time, or what is the number that we're subtracting all the time? Maybe we are adding 5 all the time. So then our constant difference is going to be 5. So yeah, it just depends on what we're adding all the time or minusing all the time. So now let's have a question. The question is, find the end term of the following arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, and 10. So as we can see, there's a certain number that we're adding all the time. What do you think we're adding all the time? As you can see, we are adding 3 all the time. So 1 plus 3 gives you 4, 4 plus 3 gives you 7, 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So that is going to be our constant difference, which is the D there. And then the 1 will be the one, the n we do not substitute, and then the a is the first term, which is 1. So that's how we're going to substitute. Tn is equals to 1, which is the first term, and then n minus 1, and then 3, which is the constant difference. So now we're going to multiply throughout, and then we're going to have Tn is equals to the one we just bring across, and then plus, and then the n will multiply with the 3 that is outside the bracket. It becomes a 3n, and then negative 1 by 3, it becomes a negative 3. And then we group the like terms, which is going to be our 1 minus 3, which is going to be minus 2. And then the 3n we just bring across. And then in the final answer, we just swap these two together. We're going to start with the 3n and then say minus 2 at the end. So remember just to start with the one that is an n first, and then the one does all numbers at the end. And just like that, we have a formula for finding any term in this sequence.